Oh, hold on. Let me get my thingy. There we go. She's a beauty, isn't she? She's amazing. I know. Ooh. So, Freddy, I thought you were gonna play with your ball. Ooh, what's this? Wow. This looks amazing. Oh, it's a fidget spinner. Lovely. Leave. But I really leave now. Okay, I really want your fidget spinner. Here, you can have my baseball. Oh, I have something for you. Let me get it. Your very own fidget spinner. It's even blue to match your color. Wow, thanks, Freddy. No problem. Now just don't hit me in the face with a baseball again. Okay. Give me this. Seriously though, what is up with him? Just gonna watch it spin. 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 Wow, I can't believe I have my own fidget spinner. Oh, this is so cool, but I gotta place it down somewhere. Ooh, let me get this. Trusty Minecraft Diamond Sword. Okay, let's see. Spin. That was pathetic. You could do better than that. There we go. That's incredible. It's really cool. Oh, this is great. This is really great. I'm my own fidget spinner. No one's gonna take this one from me. And if they do, I will tear their head off. What are you up to, Sonic? Oh, this is my fidget spinner. You like it? It's blue? Well, I bet you are jealous of me because mine's red, and red's better than blue. I doubt it, Shadow. Well, just because I'm red and you're blue, that doesn't mean that matters. Red is obviously better. That's your opinion, Shadow. No, it's not an opinion. It's a fact. Get out of here. I mean, that is pretty cool as a fidget spinner. Okay. This is mine. This is mine. It is mine. I might as well take this sword and slash it. So that's fidget spinner 2. That doesn't spin for a very long time. Why do you gotta do this to me, Shadow? I mean, mine does spin. Just doesn't do it for pretty long. This sucks. Hey, Freddy. What is it, Sonic? Your fidget spinner is really cool. Can I have a better one? Sorry, man. That's all the fidget spinners I have. Okay, I guess I'll have mine. Can I have my baseball back? Sure. Okay. Bye, Freddy. Bye, Sonic. I mean, I could really do some tests on this. It spins for a really long time. There has to be better fidget spinners around here. Huh? What's this? Hey guys. Whoa, those are really cool fidget spinners. That one's Scooby-Doo. I don't know its name. And that's a Joker, eh? Wario. Cringy as ever. I love it. And you, I don't know who that is. But neither do I. I just like it because it's green. So is his. Well, I like this one better. Some really cool designs. You want to see mine? Oh yeah, Wario.
can't even say a single word besides that. Here it is. That is hilarious, man. Okay, leave. That was quick. That really was. And what kind of laugh was that? That's the sound, I guess. All right. At least I have one. What's this? Oh, that's a really cool fidget spinner. It's all blue. Can I have it? Oh, I have something. I have these. Money. I'll trade you this for another. I'll trade you this money and a fidget spinner for that. Well, let me show you the fidget spinner. There it is. It's a fidget spinner. Thanks, man. I like this new blue fidget spinner. Bye. Oh yeah, that fidget spinner sucks. Bye. This fidget spinner is really cool. Let me see how it spins. Oh, that messed up. Let me see. Come on. Spin. Okay, wow. Not sponsored by this company. Wow, this spins for a really long time, doesn't it? Let's see how long it spins for. This thing spins for quite a while, doesn't it? Yeah, mine's definitely better than Freddy's. Speaking of Freddy, let me go over to him. Take this too. It's about time it's finally stopped spinning. Hey Freddy. What do you want, Sonic? Can I show you my super cool fidget spinner? You mean the one that sucks that I gave to you? No, I mean the other one that I traded with for money and my fidget spinner that you gave to me. Well, let me see it. Okay. Here it is. My blue fidget spinner. That's actually not that bad. It's shiny too. Not as good as mine. Well, we'll have to settle this in a fidget spinner battle. Oh yeah. Okay, let me get everyone I can. Alright guys, so this is the first ever Plushy fidget spinner battle. So first, we have Sonic with this blue fidget spinner. Next, we have me, or Freddy, over here with my super comfy fidget spinner. So, we have this chart, a fidget battle chart, that goes from shiny, size, from largest, colorful, it being quiet, the design, the cost, and the longest spinning one. And if it's shaded in completely, then that means it's a yes. If it's not shaded like it is right now, then it's a no. And if it's gray, it's unsure of what it is. So first, we have it being shiny. So let's see. And the winner goes to Freddy. So I'll give this one a shiny for Freddy. Okay, let me mark that. Bam, it's marked off with a yes on Freddy. Next is the size. So let's see. And the winner goes to Sonic. So that's marked off Sonic. Bam, it's marked off. It's 1-1. Next, is it being colorful? And the winner goes to Freddy. Okay, let me mark that off. Bam, it is 2-1. Actually, it's 1-2. So next, is it being quiet? This is gonna be a tough one, because you really gotta listen for it. So, I'm gonna place the camera right here, and we're gonna listen. So, listen. Fidget spinner number 1 is the colorful one. 3, 2, 1, go. And here's Sonic's blue fidget spinner. 3, 2, 1, go. Because we heard of that clip, we all know that Sonic gets the So let's move on. So next is the design. So the design goes to Freddy. Oh yeah. So let me mark that one off. Bam! Now it's 2-3. So next is the cost. I kind of forgot on what the cost was, but this one was around $5, and this one I'm not sure. I'd have to look that up. So I just found the prices for both fidget spinners. So this one comes in at $11. Now I looked up at this one, and it said that it was $5. So Sonic wins this one. Now it's tied to 3-3. So we have to do the last one, which is the one that spins the longest. So people, start up your spinners. 3, 2, 1, and they're off. I gotta set a timer for this. Okay, stop your spinners, people. I gotta set up a timer for this. Put them back. I gotta put a timer on. So now I have my timer set and ready. So, start your spinners in 3, 2, 1, go. And it's off. So, let's see which one spins the longest. We'll be back to see which one spinned the longest. It's been a little over a minute, and they're starting to slow down. Let's see which one wins. I'll be back again. It's getting really close. Which one's gonna stop first? I'm gonna sit here. Spend almost 2 minutes. They're so close. And it took this long for this one to stop. This one's still kind of spinning, so teams off. Yes. I've got to put this down quickly. It's 42 people, I mean 43. Nice try, Freddy, but mine's better than yours.
But how is this possible? Mine's very shiny.
Cool. Well, mine is bigger, which is better. Mine's quieter. Mine costs less. And mine spun the longest. This is how long yours spun, and mine spun longer. Howdy here. My spinner is best. If this video gets like 10 likes, then I'll literally make an entire video spinning this spinner as fast as I can and showing you how long it is. So, I will see you in the next video. Bye.